What is FAHU interfacing?
It's the integration of the fresh air handling unit with the building's fire alarm and fire suppression systems. This ensures that the system reacts intelligently during emergencies. Key benefits of FAHU interfacing: 1. Smoke spreading in a building with FAHU shutting off to control it. 2. Firefighters navigating smoke free areas. 3. Smoke management. It prevents fresh air from feeding the fire or spreading smoke, protecting escape routes and occupants. 4. Automatic shutdown. In case of fire, the system automatically shut down to maintain safety. 5. Integration. It works seamlessly with the building management system and fire alarm control panel, ensuring centralized monitoring. In the UAE, compliance with the Fire and Life Safety Code is mandatory. FAHU system must meet strict standards to ensure capability with the fire alarm systems, fire-rated cabling and secure installation as per civil defense guidelines. Regular testing and maintenance are critical. Inspections ensure FAHU systems are fully functional during emergencies, in line with the UAE's updated fire codes.